Hello all, how are you doing these days? I know, I'm uploading the videos very slowly, but I'm trying my best to upload the videos more often, and I really thanks for all of your support. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all Bengali meal preparation ideas for Bong guests. I'm sure this will gonna help you when you will be expecting some Bengali guests at home, and how to prepare in advance and cook for a hustle-free hosting. Now I am adding a different story in this video. I have ordered a chopping board and it has arrived this evening. I have been super excited to unbox the product and start using it. I have ordered the product from Amazon and this is quite good. I'll provide the link in the description box for any one of your help. When I receive or bring a new kitchen product at home, the entire energy has been remotivated, I say, and चुटकी में हर काम हो जाती है. Therefore, the evening before the specific day of the guest's arrival, I begin cutting the vegetables and making all the necessary arrangements. I am going to make some special and popular Bengali recipes which are very easy to execute. The preparation you may do ahead of time to make things easier and relieve some of your stress. Make the adrak or ginger paste ready, cutting few vegetables and boiling chana dal, few spice blend that can be done prior. I have also prepared few chopped vegetables for the starter that I will be presenting to the guests when they will arrive. Being able to chat and share stories with friends is the most enjoyable time spent together. According to elders, guests come to your house to spend time with you in addition to eating. And you ought to show them the same respect for the time they have given up because it is valuable time from their day too. Plan your menu in advance according to your guest's choice, of course, to get a better idea for your menu and what all things you can prepare before a day. Thus, some components that add flavor to your dish can be prepared ahead of time with little effort. Now watch how I show everything in a bright and colorful way until the very end. It is the next day. I have finished the daily chores and now I will prepare the rest of the menus. The boiled dal is ready, so I heat the kadhai and fry some whole garam masalas that are dalchini, ilachi, tejpatta, followed by few cashew nuts and kishmish in the same pan. Then added ginger paste which I have prepared last night. Also you can use grated ginger. After frying for few minutes, I add the boiled dal and give it a mix. Here I skipped the chopped coconut or grated coconut for some reason, which is a must in Bengali chola dal recipe. And you know what? The taste was awesome, which I did not expect without the coconut. Moving the dal into the bowl and then heat the pan again and added cloves and cardamom into 2 tablespoons of butter and gradually add slices of onions and then tomato, watermelon seeds, few green chilies, few almonds and kishmish and mix it well. While frying this gravy masala slowly, I cut a brinjal in round shape and dip them in a batter which I prepared last night and fry them in a ceramic pan which I will serve with chola dal. Meanwhile, when the masalas are fried well, therefore I shifted them into the bowl to cool them down and after some time I pasted them in a mixer jar. Then in the same pan, I shallow fry the paneer simply with some red chili powder and salt. I am intentionally using the same pan for mixing all the masala blend together in 2 tablespoons of butter, tejpatta, adrak paste and give it a nice mix for few minutes and add some fresh cream and brown sugar and sprinkle some crushed kasuri methi at the end and paneer butter masala is ready. Also you can top it off with some more butter if you wish to. Now in another pan, the brinjal fry is done. I am now moving this to a platter. Now 3 items are ready and I am gonna make some aar mach or aar fish curry with mustard paste and doi mach with katla fish. I I already have shallow fried the R fish in the morning. Also, you can just simply put the R much into the gravy. Now for cooking, I pour the mustard oil in the kadhai and sprinkle some kali jeera or kalanji and pour the mustard paste which I prepared last night with green chilies and ginger. In this, I am adding 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder with some salt according to the taste. While boiling the armach into the mustard gravy, in between I cut some onions for doi katla and I have fried the katla fish in a ceramic pan. On the other hand, the R fish in mustard gravy is ready. Now I am preparing doi katla by frying cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf and dried red chili in a steel kadhai and then adding few chopped onions and fried them well. In the meanwhile, when onions are frying, I have prepared 1 big onion paste separately and 1 tomato, 4 green chilies and 2 to 3 garlic cloves into a smooth paste separately. Now adding the tomato chili paste in the fried onions along with some ginger paste, turmeric, red chili powder, jeera and dhania powder. Mix it well. Then further adding onion paste into the same masala mix and cook until the oil comes out separately. Frying of the katla fish are almost done. Now adding few more whole green chilies and then 1 cup of smooth curd to the gravy and have cooked them well. After 5 minutes of cooking, I have added the fried fish into the gravy and have cooked for another 10 minutes. Dahi fish gravy is done, or you can say doi katla is done finally. I will pressure cook the rice when the guests will arrive and I have kept it ready. Next I'm moving on to make a simple snack recipe with Unibeck snappers, which I have recently learned from my youngest Masi when we visited their place and also learned many tricks and tips regarding meal preps for guests. Few veggies that are bell peppers, boiled corn, which I have chopped and boiled yesterday in advance, and just adding fresh chopped onions, cucumbers and sprinkle on some chili flakes, mixed half salt and black pepper and mix some mayonnaise for the added kick and spread it over the snappers and top it off with some cheese. Either bake them till the cheese melts or put on the pan covered with the lid. You can keep them ready on the cheese on top but only cook them on the pan right before serving. That's all. From creating a unique presentation to creating some unusual snacks and recipes, everything about hosting should feel cozy and comfortable for me. The process of setting my house for family and friends is something I truly enjoyed. Do you really enjoy the preparations along with me? Please let me know by leaving a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Time to say goodbye. Until next time.